I wanted to get a smile back that I haven't had for over 8 years. I want to be able to, go places and really smile, and I didn't have that for 8 long years. My name is Herb, and at Smile Texas, I had my upper and lower done through Dr. Klein. I went years without anything, so it was horrible. Just living, watching everybody else smile. When I saw the commercial for Smile Texas, I said, hey, I better jump in here and see if this really, really works. And I'm here to tell you, it does, it works. Oh man, I told my wife, I said, can you believe smiling and having teeth in my mouth that doesn't fall out? It's amazing, I'm telling you. And now all I do is smile. I'll be riding in my truck and I'll look in the mirror and I say, is that really you? That's me, smiling with teeth in my mouth. A full set of teeth in my mouth that doesn't fall out. Since being with Dr. Klein, man, I'm telling you, everything that Dr. Klein and his staff do is centered around you.